In this guide we're going to install WordPress on your computer. In a new browser window, type download WordPress. Always download the latest version and wait until the download has completed. On your computer, navigate to this computer or the C drive. Scroll to the bottom of the page and open the folder called XAMPP. Now open the folder htdocs and create a new folder entitled WordPress. Now open that folder. Return to the browser, click the download button to see the downloaded version of WordPress in the drop down. Double click on the WordPress folder and select the WordPress folder. Select the WP admin folder, hold shift on the keyboard and scroll to the bottom and click the last file. Release and hold should highlight all the files. You can now move those files to the newly created WordPress folder in XAMPP. Return to the browser and in a new window type localhost/WordPress. This will open the WordPress installer. Click Let's Go and complete the database form. Add the database name you created in the last guide. The username is root. Remove the password and leave the table prefix as it is. You can now run the installer. Choose your admin name, create a password, and as this is a local server, choose something simple and easy to remember. Add an email address, then click Install WordPress. You can now log in using your username and password to view the back-end admin dashboard.